I know. Oh, seriously? Okay, good. So you could have kept going. You had at least another almost a minute to go. All right, you can put. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, it's not even warm, right?
Channel cleared.
Yeah, FMS does not drain the pack at all. All right, I'm going up. I got a charger. My charger will do 1C. I have 2 chargers for it, so I'm good.
I want to fly it again. I'll charge it if I can get it flying again.
Yeah, no,
Time remaining 2 minutes.
The thrust angle might be all screwed up now, but we'll see.
Yeah, that thing is...
it's a lot more power, huh?
It's like I'm flying with a 2000 kV on that battery.
Yep.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I'll have to get a couple of those.
Yeah, they're expensive right now, but every now and then they go on sale.
How much is one when you're on sale?
It was $70. So it went from 109 to 69.
They go on sale, I'm fine.
Gotta get a new gear door for this thing.
Time remaining 34 seconds. 30 seconds.
Yeah, that thing.
It was a lot faster. I could hear it and see it.
Good flying plane to begin with, but that battery in there. Shit.
10, 9,
If I didn't push it, I would have had way more battery.
7, 6.
You don't have to fly it full bore. Okay, landing from the right.
No, I mean, yeah, I know. I was just testing
Time
it.
expired.
Never sag.
For sure had more power. It never does. Even once they start getting lower, they don't really sag.
No.
Landing flaps.
Because the Admirals, when you later in the flight, they start sagging.
Yeah, those don't really sag.
No, I had full bore the whole
Oh,
throttle.
the weather's perfect right now. Whoop.
Nice.
Flaps up.
Tell me.
All right, that was cool. Now this one's for sure getting a new paint job too. I'm gonna go paint crazy here in a little bit. No, I mean I can charge it. I have a charger already ready to go. No worries. I have one that'll do it at 1C.